First and foremost, very happy to be here, first time in Saudi Arabia, and I'm deeply honored and grateful for the invitation from the King Salman Disability Studies and Rehabilitation Center. And this conference is very important and very timely in light of the global thrust on the population of persons with disabilities. Persons with disabilities have been marginalized and isolated over the years, and efforts are now being placed on bringing persons with disability at the center of national and global development. And commendation must be given to the establishment of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. And so what is taking place here is all in keeping with that global thrust, the establishment of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, and the imperative to make sure that persons with disabilities are brought in the mainstream of society.